This is the, well, right now it's going to be a wheat grinder, but it's a grinder coming from inside here. You can get all the gears and everything. And the terrible welding is to put all of these it's not working. Oh, because I put the tension on. That's it. We're going to try and grind some wheat with it. Now the problem is, well, I think we're getting little bits of metal from the grinder itself. I'm sure that's not going to be too healthy for us. So I'm going to have to run it dry for a bit. Okay. Okay, it's breaking. Oh, that doesn't seem to be working at all. It just wants to turn. Also, the wheat's going all over the place.
Not available. Connect to.
And let's loosen that. Okay, that's. Oh, come on.
Stop it.
Hey. There, it's recording. Okay, so I'm just going to strap my shoes on. I have to put this lid thing on it. I have to get a better system for this part. But, so this is the lid right now. Because the flour's still kind of, when you get going, it starts jumping out of the hopper. You might want to come, you want to see actually, if you want to, let me get a shot inside the grinder. Okay, so I'm going to get my shoes on. They're bolted to the pedals. Ready? I'm going to start. Watch me when I get your knees hit by the crank. And that seems to be it. I don't know how many times I have to run it through the grinder, but this is the final product. Flour.
And this is the final product, the bread that we made. And as you can see, Keel has survived, so I'm going to try it now.